Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice 3.5 liter V6 engine, has the nice Marsh gray coloring, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package with bed utility and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got recovery hooks, dual exhaust. With rear park sensing, you do get a nice Pro access tailgate with this vehicle. Allows you to have easier access to your bed. You do get a nice little bed lighter, Pro power onboard. You got the ability to turn your bed lights on or off. You do get hooks and doodads, measurements, and a fully powered tailgate, so it will go up and down automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front, Tremor gripped running boards, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated side view camera, and moving to the front, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with the yellow accents, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holder storage, heated back seats, 2 USB Cs with rear vents, 120 volt. Can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with the split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we see here we have power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors lock, power folding mirrors, memory sync for up to 3 drivers, liftgate, or not, the liftgate, tailgate, lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 44 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometer with My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear selected as collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop there. We also do get the normal storage below. We have four-wheel drive, trailer brake, and rear locking diff. Or not trailer brake, drive modes. There's the trailer brake right there. Pro trailer assist. Dual climate with heated and cooling front seats. Heated steering wheel. 12 volt, 120. Storage above, below. And on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, auto stop poster, trail control, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, trailer turn, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right in here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got our settings here as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA61024, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.